Welcome to POLYSTAR. For the rest few months of 2023, we will continue providing simple recycling solutions for in-house and post-consumer waste. POLYSTAR's world-renowned pelletizing machines, RepRoFlex, RepRoFlex Plus, and RepRo1 are equipped with cutting-edge units like cutter compactor, single-shaft shredder, degassing and filtration systems, and automated water-beam pelletizing technology. By including these units in one machine, we have simplified the process of producing high-quality pellets.
Let's produce versatile film products for this competitive packaging industry. Our blown film solutions, DuoX, are bringing high quality, increasing efficiency, and creating simple manufacturing.
We continue to focus on efficient services, including online and overseas technical assistance, fast troubleshooting, and we keep our spare parts in stock for a fast delivery. If you're interested in exploring more business opportunities in this industry, join us in the following exhibitions, where we will show you our detailed plastic solution. Work together with POLYSTAR towards a circular economy. See you there!